See the pause button there in case you want to stop it? Alright, can you see me? Okay. We're trying to get these wave lock things in to hold the wrist pins on my so the wrist pin doesn't come out. So what you gotta do first is actually I've never done this before except for these right here. I've done a few. You see what's going on? Just gonna kind of try to expand this a little bit. I don't want to hurt anything, but the more you can get it, the better. But and then there's a couple little like deals in there. I thought I'd mess it up at first, but then I realized they all have it. It's like a little kink in there, like in a couple of places even. So anyway, here we go, Grayson. Some of these are done already. We got to put it down. There's a groove down in there. That's what we got to put. Okay, Grayson, can you see what's going on?
Yes.
Okay, this will probably be a complete disaster since you're filming. But we're gonna do it anyway. So I just kind of rotate it down in the groove. You can see good.
Okay.
So, like I say, this may not work very good, but we're gonna try it anyway. And once you get one side started, then you got to work it. Like I said, it's probably not going to go very good because we're filming. So there. Once you get it started, that's like a pretty big deal. Can you see all right, Grayson? I'm working it. Can you see in there? See what's going? See how it'll like. Just starts kind of guess you don't want to gouge anything or anything dumb. I've never done this before. This is the first time I've ever done this, but it's once you get the first like little section done, to me it seems like that's the whole catch, is just getting it going like half to 3/4 of a ring. So, got my boy filming for me. Anyway, so now I got to turn it over to the other side, and I tried to work some of this stuff on the assembly lube. I tried to work that all with the wrist pin into the 3 points where it's going to go. More stuff, I don't know what I'm doing, but I try my best to work it in there. My boy's laughing at me. Alright, so that's what we got going on, right, Grayson?
Yeah.
Just getting these rods. Hey, look, aren't they some cool looking rods?
Yeah.
For my 331. Oh, some cool stuff on these pistons. There's like these holes that go in and I guess oil the pin and stuff. Some really neat features that I'm noticing. I've never dealt with much besides stock stuff, so this is pretty neat stuff. It's all 2618 forging pistons here, and it's all good stuff. Forged crank, forged H-beams. All right, kill it, Grayson, kill it.